Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial about the Christmas tree ornament card. It's a 3D Christmas tree decorated with ball and star ornaments and shiny gold text. The string allows you to put this card in a Christmas tree or pretty much anywhere you want. For this card design, I was inspired by car air fresheners, which are shaped like a pine tree. I thought it was fun to make a card which wasn't square for a change. On my blog you can find a printable template for this card. Just click on the link in the video description. Let's get started! We start with the basics, the tree template, so you can make multiple Christmas cards. The first thing to do is to define the tree size. Take a sheet of white paper and fold it twice. Draw a triangle from the fold and cut it out. You will have multiple tree shapes now. Check if you like the tree size. You can glue the shapes together to get a rough idea of the tree. Decide if you want to use a tree with 3 or 4 sides. I use 3 sides to keep it simple. Please keep in mind that the tree should be large enough to write your Christmas message on it. Now it's time to make the tree branches. By tree branches, I mean the 3 different layers of the tree, the top, middle and bottom leafy part. Take a sheet of white paper and fold it twice. Grab the tree template that you made earlier. Trace it with a pencil on the white paper from the fold. Draw 3 layers of tree branches. Cut out the tree shape and see if you like it. Optionally, you can glue the shapes together. If you don't like the tree template, you could make some additional tree shapes and pick your favorite one. I made a combo, as you can see. Take a sheet of green paper and fold a small part of it. It should be wide enough for the tree template. You can draw guidelines with a pencil if needed. Put the tree template across the fold and trace it twice with a pencil. Cut out the tree shape with scissors and remove pencil traces with an eraser. Glue the tree shapes together. Puncture a hole in the top of the Christmas tree. Now we will work on the bow ornaments. Let's create a template. Take a sheet of white paper. Then draw a small circle with a pencil and cut it out. Check if its size fits the tree shape. If yes, trace the circle shape on red paper. Otherwise, make a new circle shape. Draw little dots with a glitter gel pen within the circle shapes. I use the red glitter gel pen for the red paper and the blue one for the blue paper, but that's optional. Cut out the bow ornaments. Repeat the same steps with blue paper, so you'll have 2 different colors for the bow ornaments. Take a gold pen and write a nice message on the Christmas tree. Then attach the ball and star ornaments on the Christmas tree. Tip: you can mix blue and red balls by adding a red ball on one side of the branch and a blue one on the other side. Attach the red thread to the top of the Christmas tree and tie a knot with a loop. Please do this carefully so you won't damage the Christmas tree. cut off the excess thread with scissors. Your card is ready now for a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!